In today's episode, we'll be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of boiling water, one of the oldest and simplest methods of water purification. Let's dive right in. Boiling water has been a go-to method for making water safe to drink for centuries. Let's start with the advantages. Advantage 1: kills microorganisms. Boiling water for at least 1 minute can effectively kill most types of harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites that may be present in the water. This makes it a reliable method for ensuring safe drinking water, especially in situations where other purification methods are not available. Advantage 2: widely accessible. Boiling water is a method that can be easily implemented in various settings. Whether you're at home, camping in the wilderness, or facing an emergency situation, all you need is a heat source, such as a stove or campfire, to boil your water and make it safe to drink. Advantage 3: cost-effective. Boiling water is a low-cost method as it doesn't require any specialized equipment or filtration systems. You don't need to invest in expensive filters or chemicals, which makes it accessible to everyone. Advantage 4: simple and easy. Boiling water is a straightforward process that doesn't require any technical knowledge or expertise. It's a reliable method that can be easily understood and practiced by anyone, ensuring that safe drinking water is within reach for all. Now, let's move on to the disadvantages. Disadvantage 1: time-consuming. Boiling water can be time-consuming, especially when you need to purify larger quantities. It takes time for the water to reach a rolling boil and then additional time for it to cool down before it can be consumed. This can be a drawback, especially in situations where time is of the essence. Disadvantage 2: energy consumption. Boiling water requires a heat source, which means it consumes energy. This can be a concern in situations where fuel or electricity is limited or expensive. It's important to consider the energy requirements and availability before relying solely on boiling water as a purification method. Disadvantage 3: chemical contaminants. While boiling water effectively kills microorganisms, it doesn't remove chemical contaminants such as heavy metals, pesticides, or other dissolved solids. If your water source contains chemical contaminants, additional purification methods may be necessary to ensure complete safety. Disadvantage 4: taste and odor. Boiling water can alter its taste and odor. Some people may find that boiled water tastes flat or has a slightly different flavor compared to untreated water. Using a carbon filter or allowing the water to sit uncovered can help improve the taste. Disadvantage 5: storage and transportation challenges. Boiling water may not be practical in situations where large amounts of water need to be stored or transported. The water needs to be boiled again if it cools down or is exposed to potential contamination during storage or transportation. It's important to remember that while boiling water is effective against many microorganisms, it may not be suitable for all situations or water sources. Assess the quality of your water and consider the specific circumstances before deciding on the best method of purification. That wraps up our discussion on the advantages and disadvantages of boiling water. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding the pros and cons of this traditional water purification method. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content on water purification. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay safe.